I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you need to be using video content in your online marketing. Now, it's really no secret that you need to be posting consistent content on your social platforms and constantly updating your website. Don't worry, we fall behind as well. But if you're really not sold on using video content for your marketing, this is the video for you. Reason number 1, search engine optimization. 80% of all online traffic will consist of video by the year 2021, and 70% of the global population will have mobile connectivity by the year 2023. That's literally billions of potential customers. Search engines will give you results where they see high quality content, and they recognize video as one of the most engaging forms of content. Why? Because if it's engaging, consumers will hang around on your page and actually watch it. So using video on your Facebook page, website, or blog will keep consumers there for longer periods of time, meaning Google will rank you higher. Number 2, boosting conversions. According to studies done by MarketWide, Incivia, and Endscreen Media, 90% of consumers claim that video helps them make their purchasing decision. With that in mind, Wyzow claims that 74% of consumers that see a product in action via an explainer video will actually purchase that product. You know why? Because a confused buyer buys nothing. So a short explainer video on your website homepage will not only boost your SEO, it'll boost sales. Number 3, it makes your brand more human. Stock photos, video, and graphics are great, but you kind of lose a certain feel to your content. Videos with the face of a real human being builds trust. People can actually see that your brand is human, that you're human. It can bring voice, personality, and a face to your brand, and viewers will generally engage with your message more. Imagine if this whole video was just animated graphics and text. Yuck. Number 4, mobile. Millions of people spend hours daily on their phone. If you don't believe me, go into your daily usage or screen time on your phone and have a look. My daily average is 3 hours and 41 minutes. Imagine how it could turn your marketing around if people just spent an extra couple of minutes looking at your content. As I said before, 90% of consumers will watch a video first before making their purchasing decision. It's the perfect little marketing device where you can send your targeted video ads right to your consumers' pockets. Number 5 is sharing. People share emotions and not facts. I don't know who said that, but it's not a bad statement. In a recent social media industry report, 76% of social media users said that they would share a branded video with their friends if it was entertaining. So creating entertaining videos encourages those social shares. Now, it's not exactly return on investment, but sharing content can increase that traffic to your Facebook page or website. And I'm sure you'll be able to take it from there, especially if there's more content for them to look at in that space. There's so many more reasons to use video content, but I'm sure this is enough to kick your gear. Not everyone has a huge budget or even really needs a huge budget. You can create your own videos with Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook stories. So you can send out personalized videos to your Instagram followers. Something like, hey Instagram, we've got 50% off cocktails between 8 and 9 PM this Friday, don't miss out. It's as simple as that. When it comes to a full-fledged promo video, sure, get professionals in. Once it's done, post it online and get that engagement in. And that's it. That's 5 reasons you should be using video content. Peace.